Today you're in for a treat. We have granite countertops. And oh, they changed the look of the whole space. Stay tuned. We're going to show you how we did this. Ho ho ho! Stoneworks. Yes. Check out all of this granite. This is actually where we ended up looking for our pieces to be the perfect complement to the cabinets that we had already installed and the tiles. They have so many pieces that we could choose from. As you can see, we are walking into the quartz warehouse, and there is literally hundreds to choose from. So many different colors and sizes. Check it out, you can even see that blue piece right there. I know, blue, who'd have thought? So here we go, this is where it all takes place.
This is Stoneworks of Colorado, and these guys just do amazing work here. They're capable of making just about any countertop with quartz or granite that you would want. You can see they've got some high-tech machines to do precision cutting. We can do water jet cutting. One machine, they can actually cut 2 separate slabs at one time. And you can see they just don't waste anything. They do an excellent job. We've been out here doing remodeling and construction for over 9 years, and this is the only countertop company that I've used. I've just never had any issues. Everything comes out the way we want it. When you go to install it, you just put it in. Most of the time I have them do the install. On our smaller projects, a lot of the times I install myself. So these guys are my go-to. And if you have a project coming up where you need a countertop, these should be your go-to guys as well.
We have our beautiful countertops back. We have just laid them in there. We got our blue tape out. There's some scribing that will have to be done around the cabinets, as well as a little bit of work within the cabinet to make sure that the sink fits. But here we go. So here goes the first one. This is a sink cabinet. They have chosen an UnderMount sink, so we have to do a little bit of craftiness to make sure that the sink fits. You can see us testing it there. I think we finally got it level and we're ready to go to get this granite installed on top. Oh, ta-da! Here we go. Number 2.
We're going to glue the countertop on, and I'm going to show you how we fasten the sink to the countertop. So, good old curdy fix. I always put this bead to the inside so that it doesn't squirt all over the outside. Curdy fix sticks unbelievably well, and it's very hard to clean up. So, be careful where you're just slinging it around. We're going to keep it out because we're going to need it again. Nice and flat, no wiggles, no gaps. Now, we're going to fasten the sink underneath here. And what I do is I'll put curdy fix on it. Now we'll let that guy set for 24 hours. and it's not going anywhere.
And as you can see, we have it all installed. Looks great. Now we're waiting on the next one.
Like we told you, we put all of the countertops down with this. This same kind of compound was used to put cars together. So we know that it has the ability to be very strong, as well as a little bit of give. And we need that when we are building these kinds of structures. He did come in and he trimmed these off to make sure that they were appropriate. Here we go. Do you like?
I like it. No wiggle.
No wiggle.
And we have all of those beautiful countertops installed. And for those of you who haven't seen this incredible little tiny house that we are creating that actually hauls a Jeep, here's a great look for you. All of the lines match. All the windows are level. All the cabinets are the same height. The doors are all the same. The ceiling has a really nice finish. All of the edges are finished clear to the end. The countertops were cut and scribed to fit exactly against the walls and against the cabinets. They just turned out really nice. You could see that custom cabinet that he built. Got a door to put on there. Somebody has a door to put on there. I'm pretty sure they do. Beautiful refrigerator. The contrast between the cabinet and the refrigerator is just beautiful. You can see the next countertop that was installed. You can begin to see the scribing that he did to make sure it fit precisely. And then we go into the cute little bathroom. And this granite just turned out amazing in here. So pretty. Can't wait to get the fixtures installed on this. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna leave you with this parting shot. The ceiling's just as cool. And then we invited the owners in so they could see. And this was their reaction.
Wow.
Oh man, all those look awesome.
These look so
That looks really good. I think it's super cool.
So,
It looks awesome.
wow.
That looks so good.
Give us a like. Give us a subscribe. If you love these tiny house cargo conversions, Jeep haulers, spider haulers, make sure that you contact us so that we can get started on yours today. Hope you guys are having a great day.